Guys, when you are installing the Windows 11 on your PC, at that time if you are getting this error, Windows can't be installed on drive 1 partition 1. So at that time guys, what you need to do, you need to fix this error. To fix this error, hold shift key button from your keyboard and then press F10. So it will open the command prompt on your PC. Now you need to type disk part. After typing guys, hit enter, and then now you need to type list disk. Type list, give space and type disk like this, and then press enter. So from here guys, you need to select your drive. Okay, so in my screen there is showing 3 drives. So my main drive is, my C drive is 119 GB. So I need to select this drive. So to select this drive, you need to enter select disk and then press the disk number. So the disk number is 1012. So my drive is second, so I will selecting 1. Okay, like this, and then press enter from your keyboard. Now you need to enter the next command, clean, and then hit enter. So this command will totally delete your entire drive data. So if you have any important data on your drive, you need to back up. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, like this. Now you need to exit this command prompt. Now you need to type exit, hit enter, once again type exit and then hit enter like this. That's it. Okay, now you need to select your drive, click on format, click on OK. So from here guys, you can easily able to fix that error. Okay, so that's it today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.